In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly make a lot of status labels in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and organize your tasks efficiently, learning how to create multiple status labels quickly can be a real game changer. Whether you're managing a project, team tasks, or just want to keep your personal to-do list organized, this tip is sure to save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open the status column settings. Do this by navigating to your desired board on Monday.com. Once there, look for the status column you'd like to customize. You'll notice an ellipsis, those three little dots, located at the top right corner of the column. Click on these ellipses, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Customize Column. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor the column to your specific needs. Now you're ready to add labels quickly. Once inside the column customization view, look for an option that says Plus New Label. When you click on this, a text box will appear, prompting you to type in the name of your new label. Here's the pro tip. As soon as you've typed the desired label's name, press the Enter key. This action will instantly add your label to the list and will also make the text box ready for the next label. Repeat this simple process to create as many labels as you need efficiently and rapidly. It's an incredibly fast way to populate your board with all the necessary labels your project requires. After you've entered all your desired labels, the final step is to save and apply your modifications. Simply close the editor, and you'll find that all your new labels are now integrated into your status column, ready for use. This simple yet effective method will help you maintain a structured and organized task board, ensuring that you can focus on what really matters, getting your work done. By following this quick tip, you should now have a seamless method to create multiple status labels in Monday.com, improving your categorization and prioritization process. Not only will this speed up your labeling process, but it will also enhance the overall efficiency of your workflow. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're feeling more confident in managing your projects on Monday.com. With your new labels set up, you're all set to tackle your task with clarity and precision. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips on how to optimize your digital workspace. Happy organizing!